Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial by Swale Cream. In this tutorial I'll tell you how to change the sound of IMO. Nowadays almost everyone is using IMO, so your IMO count should be little bit different from others. So I have come up with a trick. So without wasting any time, let me show you how to change your IMO sound. So first of all, you need to go to Play Store. You need to download one app, that is epic editor. Okay, here it is. I have already downloaded. So search epic editor and you need to download this app. There are many editors, but this one is I use. It's a perfect. So open it. Now this is an apk that is not installed, but you want to edit that apk. And in the second option, these are the apps that you have installed right in your Android phone, or yes, in Android phone, and you want to change that or edit that app. So we have installed the IMO. So now go to select apk from app. Now search for IMO. It's right there. Now full edit. It is very difficult to use, so I'll go for a simple edit. It's very simple. Audios, and then my ringtone. You know, you can see there all the sounds are available in this audios. It's a simple message sound, call sound, again miss call sound, group sound, and this is our IMO ringtone. This is our IMO ringtone. Okay, you need to change that sound. So click on this. Now browse where your audio is located. So my audio will be in downloads or Bluetooth. Yes, in Bluetooth. So now I want to use this sound. I really like this sound. So now click on save. It will take almost a minute, so be patient. In this time I'm going to pause the video again. Now it's almost done. It will not take more than almost 15 seconds. So let's wait. It will show a dialog box that your APK is saved, your changes are saved, and then you can check your IMO ringtone by making another call from your another IMO account. Okay, now it's saved. Yes, they are earning from these ads. Okay, now close it. You can check. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll come up with another amazing video. Thank you and have a nice day.